I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Google account is signed in and Drive is reachable. This avoids lost work. Once signed in, create a new presentation or pick a polished template that matches your purpose. Next, set the page size and 16:9 aspect ratio so layouts stay consistent. This matters for display and export. Now add 2-3 master slides to control fonts and colors so every new slide adheres to the design. Start with a clear title and a single, concise objective. You now structure the presentation. Apply your master slides so headers, footers, and logo stay consistent across every slide. Use guides and alignment tools to snap elements into place. Once done, follow the 1/3 rule to keep layouts readable and uncluttered. Import high-quality images and vector icons, but compress them and use PNG or SVG where appropriate to preserve clarity without inflating file size. For data, insert charts linked to sheets so updates are automatic. You finish by rehearsing in present mode and reading your speaker notes aloud. This reveals pacing and slide timing issues. Make final type and alignment fixes, preview transitions, and set uniform animation speed so nothing distracts. Export to PDF for distribution or PPTX if collaborators use PowerPoint, and choose export image quality that balances fidelity and file size. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, relink any sheets, or restore a prior version using version history to recover work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.